Yo, Bunny here, people, walk one. So today we have a special guest, the great Money Q. And
you could tell me saying I was that, so I stop.
Why I couldn't do that still? Just a little, shout out. I know so enough, enjoy Shebada in charge on the channel today. Of course, Money Q is one of the cast members for that production. So yeah, episodes every Friday. Come by on his store if anything. But yeah, today we'll be talking about politics, something I'm not really versed on. So Money Q.
Hi guys. Hi. Thanks for having me. But I mean, I enjoy politics. Is a movie for me. I love it.
It might as well be, honestly.
I did not vote. Just
Neither
letting
me.
you guys know.
Neither me.
But the big old sweep will go on. What do you think about the sweep?
Boy, even though I'm not really political like that, it is expected. Manala, it is
Really?
expected. Yeah.
But I think the big sweep was expected.
Bro, God knows. So, yes, we.
Let me tell you something. I'm kind of understand. Peter Phillips and Donald Trump in the same age bracket, right?
That's so.
I'm just saying, them look like they've been at the same age bracket. Peter Phillips might be a little bit older, I don't know. But they've been at the same age bracket.
Yeah.
But yet still, Donald Trump is technologically savvy. Peter Phillips to me does come like say he want to write down everything on paper. And it just now work. I think his popularity win over Andrew Holness. Popularity, like the media, says all about media right now.
Well, that's true, because between him having a active role on social media, to say the least, someone to be expected.
And to be honest with you guys, he has been, based on the news and stuff that I've watched, he has been one of the most popular, like he has been one of the most popular Prime Minister of Jamaica. I
would say so, honestly. And like, funny enough, like yesterday, I bumped up into an article, right? That was basically saying, I don't remember if it was Gleaner, the Star, or whatever the case may be, but they were basically saying in the article, just to paraphrase, the fact that Andrew embraced the title of Bro God. It was kind of like a way to bridge the gap between the upper and middle class, and him essentially making use of what Jamaica is known for, like reggae and dancehall. Just make that connection between music and the political sphere, and that ties back to the whole thing of popularity that you're saying, isn't it?
Him not differentiate, you just feel like you're one with him.
Yeah, exactly.
You don't feel like you're rich and you're poor. You know what I mean? The mere fact that you have an evening class, even though sometimes they don't match with the clothes and they don't look good, but him just wear them because they're my clocks. But kudos to him and his wife.
True.
One of the big loss of me see was the bunting loss.
Yeah, so may I hear.
You know what watch it?
You see, I try telling people like me not really. To be honest, politics has never been something really.
If I did anime, you'd know.
You don't know. So, you don't know. Check out Sandra Uchi on the second channel. Black Clover, Boruto, everything. But I'm straight from the topic here.
But Bunting lose him see to a nice young girl. Like that's at the top of the town. Like nobody can expect that, guys.
And Bunting has been continuously winning for that seat.
And people that look for him to be the opposing Prime Minister. So we don't know. Lisa and Hannah. Lord God, I love Lisa Hannah, you know.
Yes.
So the two we can't love her at the same time. The two we cannot love her at the same time.
I'm just saying she's very attractive.
Me love her first. And then you come second.
Alright, me work with that.
Yes. Anyways, Lisa Hannah, I'm sorry for you, but I don't know what happened, because persons are saying that she work in our constituency. I don't live in southeastern St. Anne. Hello, must feel like me know politics. Sweeter with Lisa. But persons are saying that. And I don't know, she always show up on her social media, say she work. I don't know, I don't live there, but persons in our community say she work. But you win by 14 votes. 14 votes. The ballots them not count over yet, so we don't know if she win good yet.
Like that. Like a major landslide or what?
Yeah. yesterday was a movie. I actually loved. I enjoyed it.
mean-
Every minute I go on social media, but
You mean cabbage and carrots? Like, I couldn't help it. I couldn't help it.
Well,
Yeah, a real thing, man. Real thing. Yeah.
But big up and Peter Phillips has officially come off right now.
Makes sense. When I just go sleep, brother, I just got to
He never talked last night when he win. He never talked when he did win. When him did
It's okay. It's not your fault.
he never comment when him lose nor nothing the night, but he did comment and say this morning say he might go give up the position and him now go no longer run for the position. So big up Mr. Phillips and him family. Same way, you don't know how the thing go. I think Mr. Phillips did have like you have some bucket list where you want accomplish before you
Yeah.
I think I can say it.
Yeah.
But yes, him did have that bucket, and them are young people that no so I hope so them are listen to we because I wear the voice.
Exactly.
But him did have that way him did want to accomplish, and boy sir, I'm sorry, you're not about to accomplish it.
Rough.
It's rough bad. I think Andrew Holness should just give it one day, say you stay in my shoes one day. You're the prime minister for one day.
No man, that
You know, like when you got primary school and they used to say to you, say, you're this for one day, what would you do? And you've read an essay or a story.
Like, I always hate the foolishness, honestly.
Or when you just come back from summer holiday, write how your summer was. Or
It was like a big waste of time looking back at it. But hey, this is what it is.
But yeah.
It is what it is.
Which other one surprised me? You have a lot of them, man, which surprised me.
I feel like I'm just a spectator to this conversation, even though I'm a part of the conversation. But yeah, go on talk.
What you mean? What you mean? No,
Yeah.
I don't understand.
I'm tell the people at the start of the video I'm a politics guy, you see me, but BLA, don't know.
We have it our own.
True, exactly.
We can't just talk to this one, that's it. Because guess what happened? Them are politics and thing I go and play, you know.
True.
When
That's the funny part about it.
when the road open back.
That's the funny
And
part.
all of the politics meme them where go around, most of them they play them they use as memes.
True. So we can't. Alright, fine. We can't.
So
complain
it
then.
is very well important.
True.
Which other seat surprised me? I mean, everybody expect Desmond Mackenzie if he win back in seats. But we're not even talking about JLP now because out of them win 14 seats out of 54. I want to make sure to make this right now because this is up on national TV.
So yeah, tell me too. So me just there to soak it in.
So out of 54 seats, the PNP won 14. So 14 from 54, how much?
40,
14 or 40?
That's what them say. So them say. I
Okay.
think.
Yeah. Okay, that God, I'm done, you know.
What is that? Yeah, we can't manage them.
But it is what it is, though. Me love it. The excitement. To them, me see everybody, people are carry casket. God, Corona. No.
KPH after party.
Jesus.
Yo, I let it go on. Alright, we probably shouldn't even joke about it. But yo, we can't help it. Yo, honestly, me even surprised. We even get like a 9 to 5 curfew time. I think it's gonna like more strict than that.
After Monday.
Oh, well, that makes sense.
Because he said that Monday he might come implement the new rules. Okay. Monday he might implement the new rules, set the guidelines, what need to be done. So I guess probably Monday now we are gonna hear new laws and probably the country shut down again. Who knows?
Why? Work from home.
Oh God. I don't like this, eh?
Yeah, it got rough still no.
We're gonna do that.
Buy up your tin mackerel
Sanjay,
and
we're gonna do
Lasco.
that. We're gonna do that.
Not if you buy up your tin mackerel and Lasco.
I don't eat tin mackerel.
Or your sardines. Well, let's stop. Yo, people, we can't manage this stuff. It's our first time we have a video in this format on the channel. More or less, you see me? So this if you don't love this, let me know if you don't want more. Just this casual back and forth.
I think about what we disagree upon, like, but you're not politics.
Yeah, it's like I try fine, but me not care enough.
Exactly,
if
because
disagree.
you're not a politician, so me can't say something to you and say, alright, Monique, I disagree with you on that, or is it me?
Why the only thing you could have, well, it's not even going to be a disagreement.
So what you feel? Alright, let me ask you, what you feel about you sick?
Yeah.
What do you think about the Prime Minister calling the election?
That I think I'm bring up as well now. It's like it is a 50-50 scenario. It's not as black and white as I think some persons would want to put it. Because the election was originally supposed to be called next year, right? Am I right about that?
I don't think so, no.
It's no, definitely no.
It should have called earlier, but I guess because of the corona, so.
Yeah. Alright, so as I said, it's not really as black and white as that. Because one, go blank. Alright, so one for the foreseeable future, it doesn't seem like things gonna like really change. So like next year them time we might be in the same position really and truly. But at the same time, you still have to consider the well-being of the population at the same time. So that's what I'm saying. It's not really as black and white as that, because you could call out the election till next year them time and the same situation.
Exactly. What if things don't get better?
Exactly.
What if things get worse? The pandemic is right across the world. We have to learn to live with it.
Exactly.
So how do you navigate through this pandemic? How do you move on from this pandemic? The human race has been through every single thing and we're still here.
Yeah.
So we passed the dinosaurs, we passed the BBC, we passed Renaissance, we passed all of them, and we're still here. So we can definitely get through pandemic.
We just have a kind of cooperate after, you know, bro God put in the new, you
anyway,
know.
you take it, yes or no, he did have to call the election, and I think he was being pressured as well from them in political brethren.
Yeah.
Them pressure him too. So it's not about him alone. I know him alone come up with the decision. You think him alone cannot make the decision?
I doubt it. But some would say probably it was a case where right now was the most favorable time for the JLP to win. So
the best time to call it.
Yeah, so some people might even look on it from that perspective too.
Yeah.
So there's that. But at the same time, honestly, I see it like this. The election's done and gone, right? So right now it's just about cooperating and getting down the number of active cases to hopefully zero. Hopefully.
Remember, sometimes this did just start out, you know. And we did do the best in the world, you know. Right now, we come dead last.
Why? Rough right now, no brother.
Dead last.
Not even that, no. Remember then day when you just hear about it over China and you think you're safe and you're good.
Oh, we don't want to go to China. And all of the people who are China, you say, oh, don't come back to Jamaica, come give it now.
See there?
See it, yeah. See it, yeah. But yeah. Oh, guys, subscribe to my channel as well.
Definitely. I'll leave the link to it in the description.
Inside Money Q's mad and sick. No good world.
Jamaica first start on the channel, so I'm a big support. You see me?
Yes. You guys will love it. Yeah.
So what we're supposed to do now?
We kind of finish now, so I can perform things now.
Pretty much, cause the heat from the light them kind of kill me. So.
Oh God.
Yeah, I need to go bathe.
Alright, guys, me kind of be ready for the morning. I'm really not be again.
Why am I want that show?
Me not be to hold on, cause me have to go be because me try to practice the corona thing. When you come off of the road, you have to bathe and cleanse up yourself. But me go wipe up.
Alright, so you don't know Bunny here, Money Q. Be sure to like the video if you enjoyed our
subscribe,
discussion. Hit the bell for notifications, don't know, and
comment.
Definitely can have a discussion in the comment section because I'm gonna kind of that.
Or probably we can do the other video based on what them comment and say. How about ideas? You tell us ideas that we can do together.
Yeah, we can do like a subscriber like video where we just go through the comments and we just read through and talk about.
So guys, make sure say no comments. Come no say you can't spell, I no can read, I no can write. Alright? I feel like more is the bathroom.